disconnect the connector right here. There's a little lock tab, just pull that off and disconnect the connector. Just slide up on that. There's a little wire tie right here. You just want to cut that. Just like that. We're going to use a O2 sensor socket, or you can use a 7/8 wrench. Go on the O2 sensor, loosen it up. Once you get it started, most of the time you can do it by hand. And slide it out. Now line the O2 sensor up. Get it started by hand. And now I'm going to torque this O2 sensor to 31 foot-pounds. Now connect the connector. Push in the lock. And take the wiring harness. And I'm just going to take a wire tie and wire tie it out of the way. Just make sure it's not rubbing on anything. And just snug, not too tight. It's good like that. And trim the excess.